Hello everyone. Today we will see about a topic heat wave. So this topic usually comes in the news during the summer season. You must have heard the topic you often. So what exactly is a heat wave? So heat wave, the definition varies. For hills it is different, plains it is different. Suppose a plain area like Kerala, like if the temperature is equal to or greater than 40 degrees Celsius, then we call a heat wave occurred. And for a hill station, if the temperature, suppose Shimla, if the temperature crosses or equal to 30 degrees Celsius, we say it is a hot wave over that region. Why this is so? Because what happens is in hill station, why people go to hill stations? Because the temperature is less in hill stations, they will be cold, they go there to enjoy. So compared to plains, hill stations have less temperature. So when the temperature reaches this particular point, it will be like declared as a heat wave over there. And for plains, it is this value. So this is the first thing you have to remember. Second, the Indian Meteorological Department, and they only say like, okay, heat wave has occurred. They only give the info like heat wave is there. So how they have used a criteria. They are using 4 color codes for the weather warning. So you all know the spectrum, visible spectrum. We say the color is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, right? VIBGYOR. In that VIBGYOR, VIB is not here, but green, yellow, orange, and red is there. And red means high alert. Action has to be taken. So just remember this. Then the conditions for a heat wave. So how come a heat wave occurs? So there should be some conditions like which results in a heat wave. So in summers, when you feel like very hot air, when you go out, you must be feeling sometimes like very hot air is blowing. Okay, that is another reason. Second, and there is no moisture in the upper atmosphere, like less chances of rains. Then third, when you look at the sky, it will be very clear. That is clear sky, no clouds. So what happens? Clouds, if there are more clouds, no, they will block the sunlight. You must be knowing it. So if there are no clouds, the sunlight will be coming directly. A lot of sunlight will be reaching the earth, and it heats up. So it heats the atmosphere. So that is one thing. And the large amplitude of the anticyclonic flow over the area. So over the area, the anticyclonic flow, the value will be high. So these are the conditions which result in a heat wave. So you should be knowing about the difference of values in heat, or values for the declaration of heat wave in a hill and plain, then the color codes of IMD, and the conditions which results in a heat wave. That's it from this topic. Thank you.